faster than fast. Dual chuck high performance comprehensive advancement. The 5th generation K9-5 ultra high-speed laser pipe cutting machine. Maximum acceleration 23 g. The maximum moving speed is 150 meters per minute. Cutting efficiency has increased by 20% compared to the previous generation. The equipment adopts modular design. Optional semi-automatic or fully automatic feeding device for pipelines. Side-mounted bed structure. Pipeline circulation feeding only takes 12 seconds. Efficiency increased by 50%. Equipped with a fully enclosed chuck with brakes. Reduce maintenance costs. Not 3 chucks, but it can have the effect of 3 chucks. Forward-moving front chuck. Place the laser head between the front and rear chucks. This operation not only ensures consistent processing quality, but also significantly improves the utilization rate of the pipeline. Under a reasonable layout, achieve zero waste. The device comes with a built-in graphics system. No need for manual drawing. Enter the corresponding parameters. The system automatically generates a 3D model. Then start cutting with just one click. Longson Laser Dual Chuck High Performance K Series 5th Generation product. Widely applicable to multiple industries such as furniture, school equipment, fitness equipment, and pipe processing. Double chuck machining comprehensively advanced.